Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. Guys, in today's video, we are going to learn how to make sushi at home. It is very easy and simple to make. Nothing fancy required for making a basic sushi. So here are the ingredients that we need for making a sushi. If you're ready, let's get started. So first of all, we take the nori sheets, easily available in big supermarkets. Guys, usually chefs make sushi with a bamboo sheet. So I don't have a bamboo sheet. In replacement of that, I'm using a foil sheet. We have 3/4 cup of boiled rice. And in this boiled rice, we have added 1 teaspoon of powdered sugar and half teaspoon of vinegar. Now here we have boiled fish, ginger juliennes, green chili thinly sliced, and 10 strips of cucumber. Now we take the nori sheet. The shiny side goes down and the rough side facing upwards. Start by spreading the boiled rice onto the nori sheet. Place it evenly on the sheet and spread it nicely and press it firmly with your hands to avoid any broken patches. Guys, this sushi is not very expensive when we make it at home. Keep pressing the rice with your fingers very gently, as you can see in the video. Just leave the top part of the nori sheet free without rice, as you can see. The rest of it is supposed to be covered with the rice. You can use any filling for the sushi. It's up to you how you want it. You can put crabs, you can put fish, you can put prawns, or maybe some meat of lobster, or even a vegetable sushi can be made if you don't like meat. So now we are putting the juliennes of green chili. Now we take the ginger juliennes and put it in the same way as we did with the green chilies. Putting the cucumber now. Again following the same method. Now add the meat of the fish, boiled fish, as you can see in the video. Put the filling generously, as you can see in the video. Guys, we are almost done with the filling. Now it's time to roll the sushi up. Lift the foil up from one side and roll it up, pressing it firmly so that it all comes together. Guys, this is an important part to watch. It's like rolling in and release. When you are rolling it in, make sure you are doing it firmly and release. So guys, even if you don't have a bamboo sheet to roll the sushi up, you can just take a sheet of foil and utilize this to roll up the sushi. It's always good to experiment things. Make the best use of available resources that you have. So do you see that we are now almost done with the rolling part of the sushi? And this is the look of our easy peasy sushi. And now we are going to cut it into thick slices. Again, I would like to tell you guys that you can use any filling of your choice in the sushi. You can put prawns, crabs, or lobster meat inside. Or maybe you can make a chicken sushi or maybe a vegetable sushi if you are not a meat lover. It's up to you how you want to experiment with it. Just struggling a bit with the cutting of the sushi, but that's how you learn. And anything that you do, it has to be done with passion, with love, so that you enjoy more doing it. The food becomes much more tastier as it absorbs all your loving energy. Ta-da! Guys, this is how my sushi looks, but this is not the final look of it. Let me do the proper presentation of it. So guys, here is the final look of my sushi. Guys, if you enjoyed watching my video, do like it and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much once again for watching. Bye bye.